Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by linking Sharepoint and Power Apps. This saves time later. Create a focused Sharepoint list with meaningful column names so fields map cleanly. Once done, confirm you have edit permissions and a Power Apps license to avoid permission errors. Open Power Apps Studio and choose a Canvas app from blank. This gives you full control. Make sure the site URL and list name are ready so you can add the connection in the next step without stopping to hunt for details. Now connect the list. Add the Sharepoint data source in the Data panel and select your site and list so records flow into the app. Once connected, insert a gallery to browse items and an edit form to modify records. Set the form's item property to the selected gallery item so they sync. Bind each card to the correct Sharepoint column and configure control types. Drop-downs for choices, people picker for assign to, date control for due date, so users get a consistent UX, and finish by saving and publishing the app so your team can use it from Sharepoint. Save a version, then publish to make changes live. Embed the app in a Sharepoint page if desired. Test full CRUD. Create, update, and delete items, and confirm changes appear in the list. If things break, check connector permissions first, then verify Sharepoint column internal names and data types. Also watch for delegation limits when filtering large lists, and adjust queries or add indexed columns to resolve performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.